Good morning, my lovely kids. How are you? I hope all of you are good at your home. Today we are going to start new chapter of EVS chapter 3. Chapter 2 is completed in the previous class and I told you completed the exercise of chapter 2 in your copy. Some children have done very nicely, very well, but some of the children have not completed. I hope that those children too will submit me. So let us start our chapter number 3. Chapter number 3, Work Around Me. Chapter 3, Work Around Me. Unit 2, Work and Play. Let us start. The work that people do to earn money is called occupation. So, what is occupation? The work that people do to earn money is called occupation. People use their earning to fulfill their needs. People have different occupations. People have each other with their occupation. Your father has an occupation. In some houses, mother also go outside to work. So, your father and mother go out for work. Where they are work? Why do you think it is necessary to work? You know it. This is necessary to work. So, we have already learned in the previous classes we all need food to eat and we need clothes to wear and we need shelter to live. So why? How we can get it? We can get all these things only if we have the money. Only we have the money. If we have the money to buy them, so we can get it. To earn, how we earn money? So to earn money, we have to do some work. We have to do some work for earning money and your parents work to earn money. People follow the different occupation according their needs, interest and ability. So there are different types of occupation around you and you can see around your neighborhood they all follow the different occupation according their interest ability and needs. So this is activity. Write the names of occupations in the following places. At school. So which type of occupation you can see at your school? So right here. In the market, right here. On the street, you also uh, you can also see at on the street how there are different occupations are available. So you can see right here in an office. So you write here. People use their skills and training to do work. Some people make things to earn money. Shoemakers, engineers, bakers, tailor, potters, carpenter, etc. making things. So you can see here there are so many types making things. Some people make things to earn money. They first of all they make things and they sell. So and they get the money and they earn money and they live a happy life. So shoemakers, engineers, bakers, tailors, you know that shoemakers make shoes for you. Engineers make a format, make a structure, make a drawing of your shelter of your house. Bakers make a bread, cake, pastries. Tailors stitch your garments, your clothes. So there are so many types, there are so many ways to earn money. They make things and then earn money. Next page. Some people sell things to earn money. They sell things and then earn money. Who? Greengrocers, florists, stationers, drapers, chemists, etc. Sell things. They sell things and then earn money. They first of all they sell things. Greengrocers sells vegetables, florist sells flowers. So first of all they sell things and then earn money. Some people repair things and then earn money, like cobblers, mechanics, plumbers, etc. repair things. They repair things and then then get money. They go door to door and make things, repair things, and then get money. Some people entertain us to earn money, like clowns, dancers, writers, and musicians entertain us and then earn money. Some people provide useful services to earn money. Doctors, policemen, postmen, teachers, etc. provide services. So, doctor, policeman, postman, and teachers provide you useful services and help you and then earn money. So, our next topic is work at home. There is a lot of work at home. All the family members cooperate with each other to complete the work in the house. You know that our family members means they love each other, they cooperate each other, they help each other. So there is a lot of work at your home, but all family members cooperate with each other and help each other. That's why the work is very less. They help each other. Some family members clean the house, some members cook food, family members take turns to do other different work like washing clothes, cleaning utensils, making bed, etc. So there are so many family members in your family and they divide the works and do it. When everyone does his or her share to work in the house, the work is completed quickly. We can relax and enjoy when we are free. So, if we all share if we all share the work, divided the work to each other, then we completed fastly, we completed the work quickly, and the free time, when we have free time, we can relax and enjoy with family members. So that's all for today's class. Take care, your family with you. Thank you.